Hello students, in last lecture we have seen trigonometry, definition of trigonometry functions with the help of standard unit circle, signs of trigonometry function in different quadrants, then negative angles of trigonometry functions. Now we will find we have solved exercise 2.1 in trigonometry 1. There is first question, find trigonometry functions of 0 degree, 45 degree, 150 degree, minus 60 degree and minus 120 degree. हे अँगल यूज करून आपल्याला ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन्स फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत. त्यासाठी फर्स्ट अँगल आहे 0 डिग्री. लेट थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री. थीटा इज 0 डिग्री. Then we have to find trigonometry functions. Now to find trigonometry function we have standard unit circle. आता इथं थीटा 0 आहे. 0 डिग्री केव्हा असतो जेव्हा इनिशियल रे and terminal ray coincident on each other, then that angle is 0 degree. Initial ray OA and terminal ray OB coincident on each other, then angle is 0 degree. आता 0 डिग्री व्हायचं असेल तर इथे इनिशियल रे OX आहे आणि टर्मिनल रे OP घेतला तर हे इनिशियल रे OX and terminal ray OB coincident on each other, then angle is 0 degree. Now say distance OP is 1 because this standard unit circle. Then what is coordinates of P? Coordinates of P are x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 0. Then coordinates of P are 1, 0. From this we find values of x and y. X is 1 and y is 0. Therefore, measure angle XOP is 0 degree. Angle XOP is 0 degree and x is equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Value of x 1 and value of y is 0. From this x and y we have to find trigonometry functions. Therefore, the trigonometric functions are for angle 0 degree. First is sin 0 degree. आता लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण trigonometric function चे डेफिनेशन्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ स्टँडर्ड युनिट सर्कल बघितले. त्यामध्ये sin थीटा y असतो, cos थीटा x असतो. हे स्टँडर्ड दोघं आहेत. उरलेले तुम्ही रेसिप्रोकलचे फॉर्म्युला यूज करून उरलेले ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स फाइंड आउट करू शकता. आता इथं तुम्ही ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स फाइंड आउट करत असता तेव्हा त्याचे फॉर्म्युलाज पण घ्या म्हणजे तुम्हाला x आणि y वरून ते लगेच लक्षात येते. आता sin 0 डिग्री आणि sin थीटा किती असतो y. sin ची व्हॅल्यू y असते आणि cos ची व्हॅल्यू x असते. एवढं लक्षात ठेवलं तर पुष्कळ. इथं cos 0 डिग्री इज y and value of y is 0. Next again cos 0 degree is equal to cos x असतो is equal to x and value of x is 1. Next third tan 0 degree. Tan 0 means sin 0 upon cos 0, it is y upon x. Y is 0, x is 1. 0 upon 1 it is 0. Next fourth cot 0 degree. Cot 0 means cos 0 upon sin 0, x upon y. X is 1, y is 0. 1 upon 0 it is not defined. Next sec 0 degree. Sec 0 degree. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Hence it is 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon x is 1. 1 upon 1 it is 1. Next cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree. Cosec is reciprocal of sin. Then it is 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon value of y is 0 and 1 upon 0 is not defined. These are the trigonometric function when theta is 0 degree. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 degree 0, cot 0 degree infinity, sec 0 degree 1 and cosec 0 degree infinity. These are the trigonometric functions when theta is 0 degree. Now we have to find when theta is 45 degree, then trigonometric functions are now we see when theta is 45 degree, then we have seen trigonometric functions are theta is equal to 45 degree. 45 degree lies in first quadrant. OX is terminal ray, initial ray, and OP is terminal ray. P point on a circle. OX is initial ray and rotates to OP is terminal ray with angle 45 degree. Now to find trigonometric functions, we have to find values of x and y. Other x and y find करण्यासाठी P is a point on a circle with coordinates x and y. P coordinates x and y. Then draw PQ perpendicular on x axis Then we make a right angle triangle OQP, and value of distance OQ is x. X coordinate x is, and distance PQ is parallel to y axis, it is y. And if this is standard circle, then OP is 1. Now see, there is one angle 45 degree, central angle 45 आहे, तर 90 degree झाला. म्हणजे रिमेनिंग अँगल P चा अँगल किती असेल 45 plus 90 plus 45, it is 180 degree. Addition of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Then this triangle OPQ is 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. Using that theorem, we find values of x and y. Now in triangle OPQ, distance OQ is equal to x, distance PQ is equal to y, and OP is 1. Now we have to find values of x and y. So we use theorem of 45, 45, 90 degree theorem, using 45 degree, 90 degree theorem. What is 45, 45, 90 degree theorem? Then opposite side of this 45 degree is x, and opposite side of 45 degree, it is 1 by root 2 into hypotenuse. Using this formula, opposite side of this 45 degree is OQ. OQ is equal to this x, and its definition is 1 by root 2 into hypotenuse आपला 1 आहे. Means this gives x equal to 1 by 2 into 1 upon root 2 into 1 means 1 by root 2. Now opposite side of this 45 degree is y, that is PQ is equal to y. It is also 1 by root 2 into 1. Then we give value of y is 1 by root 2. These are the values of x and y. By using 45, 45, 90 degree theorem, we find values of x and y. But this point P lies in first quadrant, and in first quadrant x is positive and y is positive. Therefore x and y both are positive. But P lies in first quadrant. P lies in first quadrant, and in first quadrant x greater than 0 means positive, less than 0 means negative. X positive and y also positive. Therefore value of x is 1 by root 2 and value of y is 1 by root 2. Using these values of x and y, we have to find trigonometric functions when theta is 45 degree. Therefore the trigonometric ratios are first is sin 45 degree. Sin definition माहिती आहे का? Sin is y and cos is x. Sin 45 degree is equal to y, and value of y is 1 by root 2. Next again cos 45 degree, it is x, and value of x is 1 by root 2. Now third, tan 45 degree, tan चा formula है sin upon cos means y upon x. Y is 1 by root 2 divided by x is 1 by root 2. This get cancelled, then it is 1. Next, cot 45 degree. Cot is reciprocal of tan, or it is cos 45 upon sin 45 means x upon y. X is 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2. This get cancelled, value is 1. Next, sec 45 degree. Sec 45, sec is the reciprocal of cos, then it is 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon x is 1 by root 2. Hence it is root 2. Next, 6 cosec 45 degree. Cosec is reciprocal of sin, hence it is 1 upon y, and value of y is 1 by root 2. It is root 2. These are the values of trigonometric functions when theta is 45 degree. P lies in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. सगळ्या रेशोची व्हॅल्यूज बघा पॉझिटिव्ह आले, असं तुम्ही चेक पण करू शकता कोणत्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये पी आहे आणि त्या कोणत्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये कोणते रेशो पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह आहेत हे पण तुम्ही बघून त्याचे व्हॅल्यूज टॅली करू शकता. sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1 येते, cot 45 1, sec 45 is root 2 and cosec 45 is root 2. Now next angle is 150 degree. When theta is 150 degree, we have to find trigonometric functions. Theta equal to 150 degree. When theta is 150 degree, then 150 lies in second quadrant. The initial ray OX rotates, 150 is positive, rotates in anti-clockwise direction, and it is lies in second quadrant. One point P on circle. OX, initial ray OX passes through OP, making angle 150 degree. This is 150 degree, and we have to find trigonometric functions of 150 degree. Now we want values of x and y. So we draw perpendicular from P on x-axis PQ, and this is right angle triangle, and coordinates of P are x and y. Therefore, OQ is x and PQ is y, and OP is 1. But angle on Q is 90 degree, but angle on origin, this is half circle, and angle of half circle is 180 degree. So 150 degrees complete here. So 150 plus 30 means 180 degree. Then this angle O is 30 degree. This is 90. Then remaining angle P is 60 degree. Now this is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem. Using this theorem, we find values of x and y. Now measure angle in triangle OPQ. OQ is x, PQ is y, and OP is 1. Now we have to find values of x and y. Then using theorem, using 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem. Then we have to find values of x and opposite side of 60 degree. Opposite side of this 60 degree is OQ. OQ is equal to, it is x, and opposite side of 60 degree is root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse, it is 1. This gives x is equal to root 3 by 2. Next, opposite side of 30 degree. 30 degree के opposite side है OPQ, and it is y. PQ equal to y. It is definition of opposite side of 30 degree is half into hypotenuse. It is, then y gives 1 by 2. These are the values of x and y. X is root 3 by 2 and y is 1 by 2. But this point P lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant there x is negative and y is positive. Then value of x is negative and value of y is positive. But P lies in second quadrant. P lies in second quadrant. Therefore, in second quadrant x is negative. Negative means less than 0. And y is positive means x greater than 0. Therefore, the value of x is minus root 3 by 2. And value of y is positive means 1 by 2. These are the values of x and y. X is minus root 3 by 2 and y is 1 by 2. Using these values, we have to find trigonometric functions when angle is 150 degree. Therefore, trigonometric functions are first is sine 150 degree. It is y, and value of y is 1 by 2. Second, cos 150 degree, it is x, and value of x is minus root 3 by 2. Next, third, tan 150 degree. Tan 150 means sin 150 upon cos y upon x. Y is 1 by 2 upon minus root 3 by 2. This 2 get cancelled. It is minus 1 by root 3. Next, fourth, cot 150 degree. It is reciprocal of tan, means x upon y. X is minus root 3 by 2 and y is 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Minus root 3 upon 1 means minus root 3. Next, sec 150 degree. It is reciprocal of tan. 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon minus root 3 by 2. It is minus 2 upon root 3. And cosec 150 degree. It is reciprocal of sin. 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 1 by 2. It is 2. These are the values of trigonometric functions. When theta is 150 degree, this point P lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive and other four ratios are negative. Sine and cosec च्या व्हॅल्यूज पॉझिटिव्ह आले, उरलेल्या चार ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शनचे व्हॅल्यूज निगेटिव्ह आले, हे तुम्ही टॅली करू शकता. Using this triangle we have to find trigonometric functions when theta is 150 degree. Now next angle is minus 60 degree. When theta is minus 60, we have to find trigonometric functions. Let theta equal to minus 60 degree. Minus sign indicates clockwise direction and plus sign indicates anti-clockwise direction. म्हणजे आतापर्यंतचे जे एंगल्स पॉझिटिव्ह एंगल्स होते ते आपण अँटी क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन घेतले. आता हा मायनस 60 डिग्री आहे म्हणजे हा क्लॉकवाईजला रोटेट होणार आहे आणि हा 60 डिग्री म्हणजे हा इनिशियल रे OX रोटेट्स क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन इन fourth quadrant OP making angle 60 degree. Negative sign only denotes clockwise direction. Therefore, we have to find coordinates of P are x and y. Then now draw PQ perpendicular on x axis. Distance OQ is x, distance PQ is y, and OP is 1. Now see, this is right angle triangle. Origin angle 60 आहे, 90. And remaining angle 30 degree. Hence it is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem. Using this theorem, find values of x and y. Now in triangle POQ, OQ equal to x, PQ equal to y, and OP equal to 1. Using 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem, we have to find x and y. Opposite side of 30 degree, it is OQ. OQ equal to x equal to, it is 1 by 2 into 1. This gives x is equal to 1 by 2. Next, opposite side of 60 degree is PQ. PQ equal to, it is y. Opposite side of 60 degree is root 3 by 2 into 1. This gives y is equal to root 3 by 2. These are the values of x and y, but this point P lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. But P lies in fourth quadrant. P lies in fourth quadrant. Therefore, in fourth quadrant x greater than 0, x is positive, and y less than 0 means negative. Therefore, value of x is 1 by 2, and value of y is minus root 3 by 2. These are the values of x and y. Using these values, trigonometric functions are first function is sine minus 60 degree, it is y, and value of y is minus root 3 by 2. Second, cos minus 60 degree, it is x, and value of x is 1 by 2. Next third, tan minus 60 degree, it is sine upon cos y upon x minus root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled, it is minus root 3. Next, cot minus 60 degree, it is x upon y, value of x is 1 by 2 divided minus root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled, it is minus 1 by root 3. Next, sec minus 60 degree. Sec is reciprocal of cos, means it is 1 upon x, 1 upon 1 by 2, it is 2. And cosec minus 60 degree. Cosec is reciprocal of sin, 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon minus root 3 by 2, it is minus 2 by root 3. These are the values of trigonometric functions when angle is minus 60 degree. Now this point P lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive, other ratios are negative. Cos and sec are positive, other ratios are negative. I can tell you using this information. In fourth quadrant only cos and sec are positive and remaining ratios are negative. So now next angle is minus 120 degree. When theta is minus 120 degree, we have to find values of trigonometric functions. Let theta equal to minus 120 degree. -1 minus signs indicate clockwise direction. 120 means lies in third quadrant. There is point P on a circle. Initial ray OX rotates through terminal ray OP, making angle -120 degree. Minus sign is the side current. Minus only indicates its direction and clockwise direction. Now see, it is 180 degree. We have to find values of coordinates of P, X and Y. So draw PQ perpendicular on X axis. Distance OQ is X, distance PQ is Y, and OP is 1. Now see, this half circle is 180 degree. Now here XOP is 120 degree and remaining angle is 60 degree. 120 plus 60 is 180 degree total half circle. Hence in triangle this angle O is 60 degree, Q is 90 degree, and remaining angle P is 30 degree. Now using 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem, we have to find values of X and Y. Now in triangle OPQ, OQ equal to X, PQ equal to Y, and OP equal to 1. Now using 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem, using 30, 60, 90 degree theorem, opposite side of this 30 degree is OQ and it is X. OQ equal to X. Opposite side of 30 degree, half into 1, it is 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. Next, opposite side of 60 degree, it is PQ. PQ is Y. And opposite side of 60 degree is root 3 by 2 into 1. This gives Y is equal to root 3 by 2. Now we will find signs of X and Y. P lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant X negative, Y negative. P lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant X less than 0 means negative and Y less than 0. X and Y both are negative. Therefore values of X is equal to -1 by 2 and Y is minus root 3 by 2. These are the values of X and Y. Using these two values, find trigonometric functions when theta is -120 degree. Therefore trigonometric functions are first is sine -120 degree. It is Y. Sine Y is minus root 3 by 2. Next, second, cos -120 degree. Cos is X. Definition of cos is X. X is -1 by 2. Next, third, tan -120 degree. Tan definition, sin -120 upon cos -120 y upon X. And value of Y is root 3 by 2 divided by -1 by 2. These two get cancel. Minus upon minus is plus. Root 3 by 1 means is root 3. Next, cot -120 degree. Cot means cot definition X upon Y. X is -1 by 2 and Y is minus root 3 by 2. This minus upon minus plus होतो. 2 to get cancel. It is 1 by root 3. Next, sec -120 degree. Sec is 1 upon X. 1 upon X is -1 by 2. It is -2. And cosec -120 degree. It is 1 upon Y is equal to 1 upon minus Y is root 3 by 2. -2 by root 3. These are the values of trigonometric functions. When theta is -120 degree and that point P lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining ratios are negative. Tan and cot are positive, remaining ratios are negative. These are the values of trigonometric functions when theta is -120 degree. ह्या टाइपचे आणखी एक्झाम्पल्स बुक मध्ये दिलेले आहेत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मध्ये आणखी काही अँगल्स आहेत, त्या अँगल्स यूज करून तुम्ही त्याचे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फाइंड आउट करू फंक्शन्स फाइंड आउट करू शकता. हे सगळं म्हणजे सेम मेथडने तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहे. तुम्हाला जर शिकायला असेलच फक्त P क्वाड्रंटमध्ये गेल्यानंतर जो तुम्ही राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल तयार करता त्याचा फक्त परपेंडिक्युलर हा एक्स ऍक्सिस वरती ड्रॉ करायचा आहे आणि त्यासाठी तुम्हाला ती ऍडजस्टमेंट करून ते राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल कोणत्या थेरम मध्ये येतो 45 45 90 और 30 60 90 ह्या थेरमचा यूज करून we have to find values of x and y and then where is the point p p हा पॉइंट कोणत्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये आहे आणि त्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये x आणि y कोणत्या साईनला आहेत हे चेक करून आपण व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ x and y फाइंड करायचं आणि ह्या व्हॅल्यूज x आणि y यूज करून ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन्स जो अँगल दिलाय त्या अँगल साठी फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. फार सोपे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत, आणखी भरपूर अँगल्स तुम्हाला मध्ये दिले ते सॉल्व्ह करा आणि ह्या टाइपचा क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क्स साठी क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला असतो त्यामुळे हा व्यवस्थित करा आणि सोपा आहे. थँक्यू.